It's time for the 10th Gershom Awards.
Good evening, friends. Most respected members on the dais. And of course, if I call name, each and every person is important. Therefore, I call you respected people on the dais. First of all, I wanted to extend my greetings from my staff member and students of the Guardian City College. Please accept our love and affection. I am just an host. I don't have any role in this function. But you might have seen all the things are happening here. These are out of the training from our college. Many of the things are trained. All the events, award ceremony, everything our people have practiced, and that is an educational institution supposed to do. We have example for that. Sir, without any disturbance, Honorable Minister Sir must be knowing, without any disturbance we have done up to this. Similarly, we have prepared a dinner in the evening. Tonight you are going to have. Do you know what is the ingredients? It is not chili powder. It is not sambar powder. It is not masala. It is the love of GCC. That is the ingredients that we have mixed. Friends, as you know that we are going to start the university, Garden City University, from the academic year 2016-17 onwards. We have got a license from the government of Karnataka. We are grateful to the government of Karnataka. And of course, I am working in this field for 35 years. 35 years. You must be knowing what is my age now. Anyway, let us not ask that. My friends, you must know, anything that we do to the society, made known to many, when we do individually, it should not known. That's my philosophy. Friends, why I wanted to say these words? When I started thinking of the university, I thought, what kind of university we want? I went to Harvard and I seen a statue over there in USA. People are touched the person, the Harvard, a person, it's a name of a person. People used to touch his feet and the shoe is completely owned. I don't want to be a such person, but I want to be something different from others. I have written my entire 75% of my asset and I donated to my university. 75%. If I leave my property, I think my generation would have been enjoyed. My children would have been enjoyed. But I don't know, even if they curse me, I don't mind. But I wanted to leave to the society. If I leave, I have 2 children. And if they may enjoy, but when I give to the university, and millions of children will. So far, under my leadership, 37,000 students have passed out of the 35 years of my experience. I feel it's a proud, wherever I go, I used to meet my children. So why I say all these things? I know the difficulties of life to achieve something in life. I always tell, you can count hair on my head, but you cannot count the humiliation, the insult, whatnot. I have undergone all these things. All these achievers, all the people who achieved something in the life, they also undergone all this kind of humiliation, insult, whatnot. I think you people agree with me. But we are not afraid of any humiliation. We know somebody may abuse me, somebody may scold me, insult me, that they are insulting to my body. What is my body? Yesterday, whatever, 2 chapati I ate and little rice. That is very, tomorrow what is going to happen. So they abused me or they insulted me, but they cannot insult to my spirit. With that spirit, with that strength, I have come to this stage. I hope all the achievers have done the same path. Otherwise, they could not have reached there. Anyway, congratulations to all the winners, and I wish you to do much more to the society, because this award is giving one more responsibility for you to do this. And we are all just like an event. Otherwise, in a game, if somebody wins, we just clap. that clap, people are again tempted to play more. Likewise, my dear friends, this is only a clap that we have given here to encourage you to play more with this humble suggestion. Thank you so much for listening me. Please accept our hospitality. We always believe in Atiti Devo Bhava. You are God to me. Honorable guest, Alexander sir, you are my guru. I am leaving more time for you to speak on behalf of me. George sir, Rajamani sir, and also all the people, lovable people, affectionate people. Thank you so much for coming to this campus. Thank you.